I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before.
Hi, so we just arrived here at the Spice Farm. It's quite a drive. It's over an hour from Agonda Beach, and as you can see, we're right in the middle of the jungle. So we were driving through hills and jungle to get here. We finally arrived, so let's go down and see what's around.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it.
Yeah, I will give you background of the farm, how spice sense has been grown. There are two kinds of spices we get. I think very commonly used here in Nepal also, like bush and tree. Turmeric, coriander, cumin, fenugreek, mustard seed. These are all bush spices. Can grow very fast, like within 3 to 6 months, and grows only in the dry climates. In tree spices there is a nutmeg, clove, cinnamon, cardamom. Pepper is a creeper again, but pepper, vanilla. This can grow only in the shade, and we have to create that shade. It's not a greenhouse shade. So for that we start with the coconut tree. This is natural farming. There are three ways of doing farming. One is chemically grown, organically grown, and naturally grown. In chemical, they use chemical fertilizer, pesticides. In organic, they use organic fertilizer. In natural farming, only waste of the tree used as a fertilizer. Because maximum nutrition what this tree needs come from its own waste. But to decompose this now, that's how we get fertilizer. How pest is controlled. To decompose this material, termites will help us. That is actually pest for the farm. We will not use any pesticide to kill them. Some ants come and eat them. When ants grows out of limit to eat ants, someone else will come. So different kind of insects prefer different kind of plants to live and they kill each other. And our job, farmer job, is to watch. So yellow color with the stripes are worker bees. It's a male.
And the worker bees sting, no?
Yeah. There are soldiers bees who will come and sting.
guys, so today we're going to be heading to Kola Beach. I'm really excited to go there. It's the one I've been looking most forward to because it looks so beautiful in pictures. First, I'm going to head to a cafe here called Zest. I got some work to be getting on with and I really want to try the vegan food there. So I'm going to head there first this morning and then later on this afternoon we're going to head to Kola Beach.
Why not still really banana? When I'm with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Guys, come on.
I don't know this song.